So hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, the time has arrived because the Relevel has launched two different modules or the job or the off-campus fields they have recently added related to the data science, machine learning and all. So recently one of our viewer Hussein has reached us through our email address to know more about the data analyst profile, what is the syllabus and all, because he was going to attend the written test after one day. Sorry Hussein, we could not help you because we had no idea about this news, because they have added recently into this their website. So we had no idea about syllabus and the recruitment process and all, so we couldn't help you. But in this video I'll be discussing about the syllabus and the recruitment process, what are the different sections they have in this written test and all. In detail we'll be discussing. But before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. You can see every day we are uploading videos regarding latest off campus like Infosys, Wipro, TCS and MDocs, IBM, Accenture, Infosys, Samsung and all. And yeah, one more thing, you can join our official Telegram channel, latest off campus drives for you. So I'll be putting the link of our Telegram channel in the description of this video. Make sure you join our official Telegram channel for more job updates. So now let's discuss. So I hope you all are aware about this platform. So let me discuss about this platform in short. So these are companies or the leading startup companies, those who are leading in this year, like Grade and 1MG, Meso, Urban Company, Upgrade and all. So these are the platforms or the companies those who are hiring through this platform. So these are the leaderboard. And yeah, if you ask me about the eligibility criteria to register in this portal or in this website, minimum 18 years of candidates can join, and up to 40 years can join. Any experience level, any year of pass out, any branch or the qualification candidates can join. So now let's discuss about the platform or the two different fields they have added recently. Previously there was a business development test, front end development and the back end development. I hope you all are aware about that. And the minimum salary is the 4 LPA for this business development. For the front end and the back end, minimum is the 6 LPA, and maximum you can also go up to 15 or 16 LPA. There is no restriction. Then they have recently added these two modules or the fields, business analyst test and then data analyst test. So through this test you can get a job related to this business analyst profile, program management associate, business intelligence associate. And for this data analyst test you can become the data analyst, decision scientist and a decision strategy, so data strategy. So these are the three different profiles you can join as per the company's requirement. A designation will be decided, and the salary minimum 6 LPA and maximum, you all know what is the salary range for this data science related field. So these are if you are willing to register, simply click on the select, then you can register. So after clicking on the select, book the year test or the slot for free, sign up or login. You need to provide your mobile number here. Once you get the OTP, you can sign up or login into your account. Then you need to choose your desired date, and then on that same day you can give the test. So now let's discuss about the process, how it will happen. So Hussein was asking about this only, so we didn't have the information regarding this, so we couldn't help him. So this is the 5 different sections are there, for this data analyst profile or the business analyst profile. So first one will be the written test your fundamentals, an MCQ round of 40 questions which tests your knowledge on the aptitude, and it's a webcam will be there, you cannot cheat there, and 40 aptitude questions will be there, and the difficulty level will be medium level, not easy, medium to hard. Then the know your tools. So here what will be happening, you will be getting 3 MCQ questions related to the every data analyst related questions. What they will be asking related to the SQL database and the Excel related things they will be asking you, MCQ questions will be there, and again it's webcam will be there. And these are in between, these are the 2 different sections. and in order to like there will be minimum 15 minutes you will be getting like for the rest time you will be getting, like in between two exams all the test you will be getting 15 minutes to like 15 to 45 minutes to rest. Okay, then SQL case study. So in this SQL case study, what will be happening, they will be giving you like case study or the problem statement, like you need to find or the fetch these many rows and the these many columns and all. So like normal problem statement there it will be there, and you need to join all these things and you can show them. There is no like case in the case study there will be no like hackering kind of thing, like that means the your problem case must be needs to be like submitted and it must pass and all, nothing like that. Whatever you are like in your brain, whatever is striking or whatever anything you are getting, you just try to write in your like there, and you can submit. Then Python case study, again like 4 to 5 questions will be there, you need to solve within like 1.5 hour etc. Then the live interview. So in the these are the like same day process, like within same day only it will be happening. That means you need to log in at 11:30, then 11:30 to like 12:30 or 1 p.m. you can take this test, then again 1:30 you can take, then 2:30 you can take this, and directly it will be happening at 5:30 or 6:30. And get your skill assessed with an industry professional. It will be live interview, like the you attend the company's interview. Same thing it will be there. A person will be taking your interview like face to like online interview will be there through the Zoom or any other platform. They will be taking your interview like mock interview kind of thing. They will be checking how much you know and all. This is all about the like recruitment process, or the like as per your like performance they will be giving you the mark out of like 1000 is the total mark, and out of 1000 how much you are scoring, it will be checking, and as per your score you will be able to attend for the like different off campus and all. So this is all about the like recruitment process. And apart from that registration process, I hope you all know, like sign up, nothing like fancy or any difficult process is there. These are the like easy things. Here you can check all these things like face to face interview, what will be happening, like time you can see like 150 mark 60 minutes, 250 mark 60 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes etc. So these are the like things you can take care of, or you can check if you are willing to check. And like these are the like links I'll be putting for your like reference purpose, and you can join book your slot, like book your free slot. After clicking on that you will be able to book your slot. So I hope you all are able to understand about this like platform and test. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. Just I wanted to inform you all these things, because like many candidates were eagerly waiting to attend these kind of like job opportunities. I hope you all are able to understand. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your jobs.